My name is Dana Scott. I work at BASF in Geismar, Louisiana. I'm a Maintenance and Technical Services Director. Well, first, what inspired me to become an engineer was my love of math and science, and the fact that engineering was not a typical field for women at the time. My entry into manufacturing was almost by chance. I was interning as a consultant and was sent to a chemical manufacturing plant for an assignment. I immediately became attracted to the visual complexity of the plant and what it took to operate one. After that, I actively pursued a career in manufacturing and have been doing this for 21 years. It's hard to say what is the best part of my job because there are multiple great parts. I look forward to coming to work every day, and if I had to narrow it down to a couple of things, I would say first the people and second the complexity. The people I work with have diverse experience and perspectives, and the common desire that we have to manufacture quality products for our customers is very unifying. Manufacturing is a challenging and rewarding opportunity to make a difference in the world. BASF is a great company to work for with an underlying innovative culture. Discovering I was a STEP nominee was a huge honor for me. I've attended the award ceremony for the last 2 years and watched several women for whom I have great admiration being recognized as nominees. To be on the same stage that they've stood on is very humbling for me. What's been inspiring to me is the challenges that they have pursued outside of their own comfort zones and the successes that they have had, and they showed me it was possible.
BASF. We create chemistry.